Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I will teach you how to draw like a professional artist in just a few minutes. Haha! Let's get started. As you can see, I'm using the program called Sketchpad 5.1. Now this is a program that all the art masters over the years have used. I'm talking Monet, I'm talking Van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci. All of these guys use this program, so based on that evidence, I think it's the best. Okay, let's get started. Let's say you want to draw a human. You're gonna start off with what I like to call the stickman technique. There you go. You draw the legs, the torso, you get the head, two eyes, a smile, some arms, and then all you have to do to complete this masterpiece is to draw a big honking penis. And there you go. It really is as easy as that with the stickman technique. Now, of course, let's say you want to draw a female, a woman. Then the process is a little bit different. But once again, you're gonna start off with the stickman technique. Remember, the stickman is your friend. You're gonna add two eyes again, a smile, some arms. Now, of course, to signify this is indeed a woman, we're gonna add some long hair. I picked some nice red hair here. There you go. Draw some hair. We also, of course, need to draw some tits. There we go. Don't forget the nips. Nips are an important part. And there we go. And then all you need to do is draw a big honking penis.